Hey guys, it's Wooly from SuertePanda.com. Welcome back. Today I want to just briefly go over the PayPal Mastercard. It's not the most popular card, but I'll tell you why I'm starting to use a lot more now. So if you watch some of my other videos on like my Chase, my Sapphire card. I was having like was going back and forth with myself, like, should I downgrade it or should I switch it over and whatnot. And I think for now I'll just hold on to it, just in case, like, maybe later in 2021, things open back up and we can travel again. So I think that could be a good thing. But in the meantime, I want to use the PayPal Mastercard because, as some of you know, PayPal, I guess a while back, they opened up crypto trading. Specifically, I was interested in like the Bitcoin transactions. That's starting to pick up some good traction. It's been a little bit it has been a little volatile, but I think that's okay. I think that's normal. A lot of people have kind of jumped on board, and maybe even Elon Musk, because he's either throwing support personally, or maybe he might even be putting some of Tesla's cash position in it. So, these things, like these announcements, I expect more and more as the year progresses. So I wanted to start finding like different ways to get into Bitcoin, and PayPal and Mastercard. The rewards aren't that great. So for every 6,000 points, you get $50 back. But the good thing is, like, you can use that cash back feature directly in PayPal. So it's within the ecosystem, so it's a little bit convenient for certain people. If you don't already have like an account at an exchange where you can buy Bitcoin directly, you could also use the Cash App from Square. I guess, like, no matter where you go, like, it's you're gonna have to pay like some small fee. So I think the first transaction for me was free for to buy Bitcoin in PayPal. And then like every subsequent transaction, like so far I've been paying like 2,030 cents for every $100 that I buy. So that could be a little bit annoying, but I mean, let's face it, like every exchange that you go, they're gonna charge you some type of fee, so you kind of have to kind of compare. But for me, I think it's I guess like the convenience feature is sort of worth it. And the other thing I don't like is that you can't, you kind of, like, if you buy Bitcoin on PayPal, you kind of stuck in that ecosystem. So you might have to consider that before you buy anything. You can't like send the Bitcoin to your own private wallet, so that's a little annoying. But I think it's a good, maybe for like beginners, it could be like a way to go, because I'm also waiting for like there's two Bitcoin credit cards coming out that has like I guess like a Bitcoin, instead of cash back you get like Bitcoin back. I think that could be valuable, potentially, going forward. So the first one I think is from BlockFi, and then the second one's from the Gemini exchange. So I want to see more details about from the Gemini card, because I don't know what the annual fees are yet. I think BlockFi is $250. Someone correct me if I'm wrong. But I think that's it. I just want to kind of let people know about PayPal Mastercard, and that, like, it's like kind of like an indirect way to get like some credit card spend, and then also indirectly get Bitcoin. The exchange, like, value isn't so great because it's 6,000 points to get like $50 cash back. So it's like, it's not the best, but it's good to tide me over, kind of get me in the mood, or like the habit of, like, converting some of my spending into some Bitcoin back, while I wait for like either BlockFi or Gemini to get their credit cards out. So I'm really excited about that. I think, if my theory is correct, like I think Bitcoin could be a big beneficiary. I guess as things like maybe unravel in the stock market, or maybe even just like the financial markets in general, we're starting to see like some crazy things. And 2021 could be either really exciting or like really horrifying depending on your point of view. I want to try to take advantage of the volatility spikes along the way, so stay tuned, and I hope you can like and subscribe, maybe share, and then let me know in the comment section below like what kind of questions you have regarding PayPal, Bitcoin, any of the melt up or meltdown thesis that I have. So thank you, and have a great one.